Karyan, most people believe they have a time problem. I don't have enough time. They say I need better time management, but look very closely. Even when time is available, their focus is not, their energy is not, their clarity is not there. So the real problem is not time, the real problem is energy. Because without energy, even the best plan fails. Yesterday in day 8, we spoke about protecting your attention. We understood that attention is constantly being pulled away, and we learned how to create boundaries. But today we go deeper because even if you protect your attention, you still need the energy to sustain it. Without energy, attention collapses. Without energy, discipline breaks. So that we focus on something fundamental. That's all about your energy. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanita Ganesh Murthy DGVG, your Vedic productivity coach and the founder of Karya Siddhi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks where we raise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. And this is day 9 of the Rise of the Karyan 30-day discipline series. Each day we have a building not just productivity but a powerful disciplined way of living. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it so that you don't miss the every insight of Vedic productivity. Have you noticed this? Some days everything feels easy. You focus better, you think clearly, you complete tasks. Other days, even simple work feels heavy. You delay, you feel distracted, you feel drained. Same task, same time, but different energy. Yet, most people ignore this. They push harder, they blame themselves, but the truth is simple. A tired body cannot produce a focused mind. Low energy leads to poor focus, slow thinking, weak discipline. This is why productivity systems fail because they ignore energy management. In Vedic wisdom, energy is understood as prana, that is the life force. Everything depends on prana. Your clarity, your focus, your emotions, your actions. When prana is strong, the mind is sharp, the body is active, attention becomes steady. When prana is weak, the mind is sharp, the body is active, attention becomes steady. That is why Vedic living always emphasized on proper food, proper breath, proper rest, natural rhythms. Because energy is the foundation of discipline. Why energy is a real productivity system? Time is fixed, but energy is flexible. You can increase it, you can protect it, you can manage it. And when energy improves, focus improves. Discipline becomes easier, work feels lighter, energy changes everything. So, what are the practical shifts for the day 9? Karyans, today we introduce a simple energy ritual. Step number 1, hydration first. Start your day with water. Dehydration reduces focus. Even a small important and improvement in your hydration can increase mental clarity. Step number 2, light and balanced food. Notice how food affect your energy. Heavy food is equal to dull mind. Light food is equal to clear thinking. Observe your own body. Step number 3, breath awareness. Take a few moments during the day to breathe consciously. Breath directly influences your energy. Step number 4, align with your rhythm. Work with your natural energy cycles. Go deep work when your energy is high. Do lighter tasks when energy is low. So, what is a real time observation I have done? I've seen something very powerful. When people improve their energy, they don't need to force discipline, they naturally feel like taking action. They feel lighter, clearer, more focused because energy removes resistance. Fast for a moment, Karyans. Ask yourself, am I trying to manage time? Or am I managing my energy? What is one small change I can make today to improve my energy? Today is day 9 of the rise of the Karyan. We are not just managing tasks, we are building inner energy. Because when energy is strong, discipline becomes natural and action becomes effortless. Grow 1% every day the Vedic way. If you are committed to this journey, make sure you subscribe to the Vedic Productivity Talks. And if you practice today, comment day 9 done. That is the energy ritual. Let's rise together as Ekaryans. Until then, I wish you to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.